How does Amazon Patent Evaluation Express (APEX) work? Currently only available in the US, brands who are utility patent owners and suspect infringement can apply for APEX in the Report a Violation tool on the brand registry portal. Once submitted, we notify sellers listing on reported ASINs of the process so they can participate in an evaluation and defend their claim if they so choose. Participation in an evaluation requires both parties to deposit $4,000 with the neutral evaluator. Amazon does not handle the deposit and does not retain any portion of the evaluator's fee. The evaluator reviews submissions and determines whether the reported listings infringe the patent. The winning participant receives their $4,000 deposit back. If the evaluator determines the reported ASINs infringe, Amazon removes them. If the evaluator finds in the seller's favor, Amazon takes no action. Once an evaluation is complete, winning utility patent owners are granted an APEX ID associated with this decision. Brands can use the APEX ID from the winning evaluation to report future infringement of that patent through Report a Violation.